Hi guys, today I'll show you how to import reviews from Zendrop to Shopify. In order to do this, first of all, log into your Shopify account using your user credentials and you will see your Shopify's dashboard. Now on the dashboard, you'll have to click on this Add Apps button just under the apps. Click on Add Apps and you will see these applications appearing. Now we'll have to navigate to Shopify App Store. So click on this small blue link at the bottom, that is Shopify App Store, and this is going to open a new page. On this page, click on Search App Guides and More and search for reviews. So type in reviews and click on this app, that is reviews Reviews Importer. Now you will see the pricing, highlights, rating and developer of this application. Now you can also watch this tutorial if you want to know more about this application. You can read this description of the product, see the pricing, it is free, it also has a premium plan and an ultimate plan with these benefits. You can scroll down and see the rating of this product. Now scroll up and click on install. When you click on install, it will prompt you back to your Shopify store. Click on install button again. Now it will take some time for installation and you will see this page. Here you can click on start or you can also click on skip if you don't want to see all these settings for our reviews. This is where you can ask for support anytime, and there are two ways to import reviews. The first one is manual import, the second one is bulk import. So click on next and you will see the import reviews section. Click on import reviews. Now you'll see this page. Now this page will contain all the products. You only have to insert your product link and click on import button and click next to continue. So we just inserted an AliExpress URL just for testing. You can remove the reviews later and then you'll have to click on import button. So the only step is navigating to the reviews page, inserting your product's URL on this page and clicking on import, then select import details. Now this is importing details section. So this is imports details section. You can see all the details about the import here. You can click on manage button just after your product. This is going to take you to this page. In this page, you can manage all your reviews. First, these are bulk options to edit 100 reviews in one click. Now you can also edit all data in each row and you'll have three options. First one is pin reviews, that is to show pin reviews first in your store. Second one is edit review info, where you can edit your review information. And in order to delete any review, select this small dustbin icon and your review will be deleted. You can also do bulk import using this extension. You can click on reviews, select import reviews. All the products you'll have will appear on this page. You'll have to just click on import or paste a website URL where your product will have reviews. Click on import and you will see all the reviews getting imported into your Shopify store. So make sure you enter your Zendrop's website URL in this section and click on import. When you do this, you'll have successfully imported your Zendrop's reviews to your Shopify store. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.